Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time it's gonna be two parts of painting experiment, should I say. I heard a lot about Rain-X, so I was curious to try it myself. The difference, of course, like always, we're gonna put a spin to it, which will be that we're gonna make my medium, the recipe that I'm gonna give you. The simple recipe, which is 3/4 of white glue, 1/4 of Floetrol, and a little bit of silicone. That's my best medium. Well, at least for me, like we always say, it's subjective, but that's the best way. That's the best medium that I did find, and for a lesser cost, of course. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna mix my acrylic with water like we do always, but I'm gonna put a little bit of Floetrol in my water, so it's gonna be more fluid, more easy to mix together. So we'll see. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a background, a white background, then I'm gonna do a flip cup over it with our paint, and then afterward I'm gonna spray a little bit of Rain-X. So let's go try it. I'm anxious to see what's gonna happen, and let's talk about it at the end. So let's go try it. So guys, I think it's a success. I think we achieved what it was supposed to do, with the exception of the blooming effect, because it's supposed to be to do a bit of blooming effect, due to the fact that I'm sure that in the Rain-X there is a bit of alcohol. For me, you know, with the thing that we did, well, of course it's not dry yet, I just finished it, but I think we can reach the blooming effect easier with simply using alcohol. For the experiment that I did for all the years I did it, I think it could be the best if you want to reach the blooming effect. Again, question of taste. We have a lot of little cells. I think we could have done the same thing again with the alcohol, or even the silicone. There is a little bit of silicone, of course, in my medium, but it's not that much cells, because when I sprayed again almost evenly on the canvas, and that's what we have. It's a damn lot of cells, but I think it's very nice. You can see all kinds of things in it, so depends on your imagination, of course. So guys, I hope you like it. I don't know why I didn't reach the blooming effect. Maybe because I didn't mix it enough, a lot. Maybe I should have. But they don't say that you have to shake it before using. So I don't think it does anything. So anyway, I like it. I have to say that I like it very much. Again, if you saw, I didn't use a lot of water in my acrylic. I did want it to be a little more dense, so I think it did the job. We have a nice layer of colors, and they stay more defined that way. Then if you use more liquid and you do your acrylic more fluid, they're going to mix more together, so it doesn't give the same finish. Well, of course, I like it that way. I hope you do. And please guys, like always, subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.